This is Bharti Vidya Bhavan, Senior Secondary School, Ratitalai, Banswara. I am Fulgentius Felix.
Myself, Shujat Pathan, and we are conducting ASL program, session 2014-15 of Standard 10.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Dimple Damor.
Okay, and what is your name?
Myself, Lakshita Achari.
Okay, Dimple, you are candidate A for today's program, and Lakshita, you are candidate B.
Okay, sir.
You may please begin the task with a general introduction, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please go ahead.
Hi, Lakshita. How are you? I'm absolutely fine, my dear. What about you? I am also fine. Did you visit the mega fair yesterday? Yes, I have been. But tell me, why didn't you come? I had some guests, so I couldn't make it. You missed the fun, man. We enjoyed a lot. Anyway, but you tell me, what was the most interesting thing over there? The dragon ride. It was really very thrilling. Really? Oh, I wish. I too had been there. Did you do any shopping also from there? Yes, of course. I bought a pair of goggles and a perfume bottle. Dimple, I'm getting late. I got some urgent work. May I make a move? Okay, we'll meet tomorrow.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks a lot. This is the end of the first part of the task, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we move on to the second part, and that is the topic presentation. In this, candidate A has to present your topic first, followed by some questions asked by candidate B. Okay?
Okay, sir.
May I know what is your topic?
My topic is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Okay, please go ahead with it.
India is a great country. In many sense of its natural, historical and spiritual places, it attracts many tourists. But one thing is common that we find that every place is dumped with garbage, poor sanitary management and pollution of rivers, lakes and ponds destroy the natural beauty of the place. I agree with you. It is in our culture that we must keep our area and surroundings clean to live in. This concept against the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a great step. Its slogan is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, one step toward the cleanliness. It is our duty to clean our area and surrounding. So let us take a pledge that we will neither spread garbage nor let anyone do it. Exactly.
Finished?
Finished.
Okay, thank you. Now, candidate B, can you put up some questions for her?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please go ahead.
What is the slogan of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Its slogan is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, one step toward cleanliness. What attracts foreigner most? India's historical, natural and spiritual places attract foreigner most. Who launched recently Swachh Bharat Abhiyan program? Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
May I also ask you one question?
Okay, sir.
Yes. What is the common difference that we find everywhere?
Common difference is that every place is dumped with garbage.
Okay, any other questions would you like to ask her?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. Now, candidate B, it's your turn to present the topic. May I know what is your topic?
Today's my topic is the role of youth in our national development. Youth is the asset and hope of the nation. Today, as the modern era is becoming fast-paced, complex and complicated, and only youth with their bright ideas can match up the requirements. The role of youth has become more important. The future of nation depends on its youth. Modern educated youth help in national development by their innovative skill. They can help skin, they can help villager shed their shackles by acquainting them with true fact. They have reasonable and questioning attitude with modern scientific outlook. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Now, candidate A, could you please put up some questions for candidate B?
Who is the future of nation? Of course, modern educated youth is the future of the nation. In which way the modern educated youth helps in national development? Youth by their innovative skill help in national development. Who can match up the requirements? Youth match up the requirement with their bright ideas.
Any other questions would you like to ask, sir?
No, sir.
May I ask you one question?
Yes, sir.
How can the modern educated youth help the villages?
The modern educated help villagers shed their shackles of ignorance, literacy and superstitions by acquainting them with true fact.
Okay, very good. Thanks to both of you. Now we move on to the third part of the task, and that is problem solving task. Right?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you a problem and you'll have to discuss over it. We give you 20 seconds to think over it. Then you'll have to come up with the solutions. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Here is your problem. Imagine that your teacher is absent in the class, and coincidentally the monitor also is absent that day. The whole class is making a lot of noise. How will you tackle the class, or what will you do? This is your problem.
I will punish them.
If they don't say, listen to me, I will send them out of the class.
Okay. Are both of you ready with your solutions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will you do? First, you tell me.
In that case, I will stand in front of the class and tell them not to shout.
Okay. And what about you? What will you do?
I said them not to shout and tell them keep quiet.
I will punish them,
Okay. How will you punish them?
standing them out of the class.
Okay. And you? Any
If-
other?
If they didn't listen me, I send them out of the class.
Okay. Thank you. This is the end of the task. You may please go now.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Goodbye. God bless you.